Okay. Yeah, I think now this makes me question, in the sense, if we were to give homeowners any tips that they can do themselves before calling a contractor, if whether it's maintenance or just like going up on the roof yourself, don't know if we should recommend that, but if a homeowner feels called to do that, what should they be looking out for? I know we've posted videos on our social media platforms with counters showing damages we find in inspections, whether it's hail, wind, or just granular degradation. So like, what can someone look for themselves first?
I will say there's no reason to get up on your roof yourself if you don't have to. My suggestion, the first thing I would do is just call a contractor. The reason for that is the difference between normal wear and tear versus, something that is caused by something else or more recent that can be explained, is very minimal. So you would need someone with a trained eye to be able to see the difference between those things. A lot of times your problems aren't going to be super obvious. So when we go out for a roof leak, and you could have a massive water stain on the ceiling of someone's living room, but you go up on the roof and you don't see anything. It looks completely normal. Just because water can infiltrate a home, the smallest little spot. But some things that you could look for on your own that are telltale signs. If you've got an excessive amount of the little rocks off the top of the roof, we call them granules, in your gutter, that may be sign that your roof is deteriorating and that product is nearing the end of its useful life. Missing shingles, another obvious. If they're laying in the yard, I would say another common thing we see is vegetation growth above a roof. If you've got a tree that's growing into your house and those leaves and branches are touching that roof, that's going to cause that shingle to degrade much quicker than if that stuff wasn't there. So little things like that, outside of just noticing small stuff that's going on, I think your best bet is to have routine checkups by a trained professional who knows what they're looking for.
You heard it here first. Let's see. I think we're kind of good almost.